8593 Design of Machine Element Unit 3 Temporary and Permanent Joints Threaded Fasteners. Hello students, here in this video we will discuss the topics about forms of screw threads presented by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Velur 2. Forms of thread. The forms of threads are classified as British Standard Without Thread, British Association BA Thread, American National Standard Thread, Unified Standard Thread, Square Thread, Acme Thread, Knuckle Thread, Buttress Thread, and Isometric Screw Thread. Let's see one by one. First of all, British Standard without BSW thread. This is a British Standard thread profile and it has a coarse pitches. It is a symmetrical V thread in which the angle between the flanks measured in the axial plane is 55 degree as shown in figure. This is the angle of the thread is 55 degree. This is the coarse pitch. Okay. These threads are found on bolts and the screw fastening for special purpose. These types of threads are used in special purpose fastening process. The next one is British Association or BA thread. This is a BSW thread with fine pitches. This is the same like BSW thread with a fine pitch. Here the thread angle is 47.5 degree. So pitch is fine pitch. Here the coarse pitch. Okay. The proportion of the BA thread are shown in figure. These threads are used for instruments and the other precision work. Okay, this is used in instruments, measuring instrument and precision works. And third one is American National Standard thread. The American National Standard or US or cellular thread has a flat crease and root. See, let's see the figure. It has a flat crease. See, it's not a sharp edges. It is a flat crease and flat root. Okay. The flat crease can withstand the more rough usage than sharp V thread. These threads are used for general purpose, example on bolt nut screws and tapped holes. Next one is Unified Standard Thread. The three countries, it is Great Britain, Canada and United States, come to the agreement for common screw thread system with the inclined angle of 60 degree. The inclined angle of 60 degree is the common thread. These three countries are followed: Great Britain and Canada and United States. In order to facilitate the exchange of machinery, the machinery exchange purpose, they are follow this common thread, the angle of 60 degree. The thread has rounded crest and root as shown in figure. Here, let's see the crest and root in rounded shape. Here, it is the rounded shape. In American National Standard, it has a flat crest, and previously this BSW and BA threads are have a V thread. Okay. And fifth one is square thread. The square thread, because of the high efficiency, are widely used for transmission of power in either direction. Such types of threads are usually found on the feed mechanism of machine tools, valves, spindles, screw jacks, etc. This is the square thread. The shape is square shape. Okay, let's see. Because of the shape, it is called as a square thread. Okay. Next one is Acme thread. It is a modification of square thread. It is much stronger than the square thread and can be easily produced. These threads are frequently used on the screw cutting lathe, brace valves, cogs, and bench vices. This is the Acme thread. This is the modified shape of square thread. Next one is knuckle thread. It is also modified of square thread. It has rounded top and bottom. It can be cast or rolled easily and cannot economically be made on the machine. It cannot made on the machine, so they go for cast or rolling process. The threads are used for rough and ready work. They are usually found on railway carriage coupling, hydrants, necks of bottle, glass bottle, and large molded insulated used in the electrical traders. This is the knuckle joint. This is the modified square shape, rounded on top and bottom surface. This is the round edges. Okay, you may see in this type of thread in bottlenecks. Okay, familiarly you may know. Okay, next one is buttress thread. It is used for transmission of power in one direction only. In buttress thread, we are transmit any one of the direction only. We can transmit the power. But in square thread, we can transmit the power in both the direction. The force is transmitted almost parallel to the axis. This thread unites the advantages of both square and V thread. It has a low frictional resistance characteristics of square thread and have a same strength as that of V thread. The spindle of benchwise are usually provided with buttress thread. Next one is isometric screw thread. It is an Indian standard thread and it is similar to the BSW thread. It has an inclined angle of 60 degree instead of 55 degree. In BSW thread, there's a 55 degree. Here, in isometric thread 60 degree thread angle. The fastening threads are usually V thread. They offer the following advantages. First one is V threads result in higher friction, which loosen the possibility of loosening. Second one is V threads have higher strength due to increased thread thickness at the core diameter. V threads are more convenient to manufacture. The profile of the isometric screw thread are shown in here. This is the profile of isometric thread. Okay. It consists of equivalent triangle of threaded angle of 60 degree. Equivalent triangle of 60 degree angle. This is the metric thread. Okay. The base of the triangle is equal to the pitch. The base of the triangle is the triangle. The base of the triangle is equal to the pitch. The dimensions of standard profile are given in table 7.1 and 7.2. Let's see the table. This is the basic dimension of the thread. This is the core series. Core series denoted by M coming under the diameter of the nominal diameter. M4, M5, M6. Here M4 nominal diameter, major diameter is 4 and pitch is 0.7 and pitch diameter is 3.545. Minor diameter or core diameter is 3.141 and tensile stress occur in this area is 8.78. This is the basic dimension of isometric screw thread in course series. Here this is the basic dimension of isometric screw thread in fine series. Okay, the fine series is denoted by M and then diameter, nominal diameter of the thread and then pitch of the thread. Okay, M6 into 1. M6 means nominal diameter of the thread, 1 means pitch of the thread. Okay. And it is observed from the tooth profile that the crest and the roots of the threads are either flattened or rounded in the circular arc. This is essential in fastening thread. It has the following advantages. It reduces the stress concentration in threads. It increases the tool life of the thread cutting tool. It reduces the possibility of damaging the threads by denting. In fluid-tight threads, it prevents leakages because of the engagement of threads on crest and root. The metric threads are divided into coarse and fine series. The thread profiles in these two cases are generally similar. The coarse thread is considered as the basic thread. The coarse thread obtain the following advantages. The static load carrying capacity of coarse thread is higher. The coarse threads are easier to cut than the fine threads. The coarse threads are less likely a slice during the tightening. Coarse threads have more even stress distribution. The fine threads offer the following advantages. The fine threads have greater strength when subjected to fluctuating load. The fine threads have greater resistance to unscrewing as a result of lower helix angle. Therefore, threads with fine pitch are more dependable than thread with a coarse pitch in respect to self unscrewing. Yeah, coarse threads are recommended for general industrial application which are free from vibration. The fine threads are used in following application. The parts subjected to dynamic load and vibration. Example, automobile applications. Second one is hollow thin walled parts where coarse threads are liable to weaken the wall considerably. Third one is the part in which the thread is used for the purpose of adjustment. Next one is a screw thread of coarse series is designed by the letter of M followed by the value of nominal diameter in millimeter. For example, one M12, M6 like that. This is the coarse series which is designed by letter followed by the nominal diameter M4, M5, M6, M10 like that. Okay. Next, a screw thread of fine series is specified by the letter followed by the values of nominal diameter followed by the nominal diameter and pitch in millimeter and separated by the symbol of x, sorry, x or into. Okay, for example, m12 into 1.25, yeah, m6 into 1. M6 means nominal diameter, 1 means pitch of the thread. Thank you, student. Thank you so much.